Here we are, Little Manly, one of my favourite spots here on the Northern Beaches. Today, we're setting up the barbecues because I've got 3 cracker recipes ahead. First up, Peruvian style butterfly chicken with green sauce. Here we're looking for quite thick, get in all its little armpits, under its joints. This, look at that. Wow, that is good. Absolutely sparkling, perfect barbecue weather. Then it's into sumac salmon flatbreads with charred spring onion mayonnaise. Shiny in the sunlight. I'm gonna pop them there, straight on the front. See how nicely it's cooked. Pick it up. That is really good. On a perfect day here on the Northern Beaches. Finally, rotisserie mushroom with cauliflower tabbouleh. So straight through the middle, straight on. Onion goes in, tabbouleh is done. Mushrooms, I gotta have some. That has been a great day of barbecue cooking.